Hi everyone. So again, welcome back. It's the day 16 of my channel. So what we are here for? We are here for building and developing our application from beginning by defining the problem statement, then defining understanding the roles, and based on the roles we iterated over one another. So first we iterated about the problem statement. Based on that, we in this first sprint we did the UI UX development, and then in second sprint we are doing the front end development. That all going in the first iteration. There could be multiple iteration. Based on the number of days we will move ahead. So in the first iteration we are now in the front end development phase. So now I am acting as a front end developer, and we are building the UI into a live website. So let's get back into that. And now we know what we have built till now. We have built the sidebar component. We have built the login page. Now let's say we move towards sign up view. Sign up view, where that will be similar to login and have more fields. We will look into the UI part of that. So let's first get over to that part only. So where that design was in the Figma. And also today there might be possibility, if time allows, we will look into Git and GitHub to push the component daily wise. So now you can see we have to build like this. So it is similar to what we see in the login page. So we will building this, and let's track back what we have done and what we have not updated. So we will update that as well. So not now. So let's say I want to we are creating component. So both these components are ready. Now we are in the building a fully functional website page in progress. And first thing we look into is login. Now we will doing the sign up page. So let's finish it. So it was 24th June, which is today. And now let's make this sign up as tomorrow. So that is 25. So make it this at today itself. Then home page. Let's say we will finish in 2 days, and then add post page another 2 days or 3 days. Comment. So let's again we take as by 1 July. Notification, it will take more time. Let's say we will take as 4 July. And in profile, let's say we will take 8 July by the time. And we take a buffer of 8 days to have a progress change or something. We will modify accordingly. So now we will start with the sign up page. So let's make it in the progress. And let's get back to the code part. Let me restart a server. But we can see that it's not in the folder of front end. So we will go to front end. For that we write cd. So cd means going to that directory, and the directory name is front end. Now to run the code, again we will use npm run dev. So let's say we have built two things. Now we want to build another, that is sign up dot view, right? So nothing is there, and it is similar to this. So what we will do, we will control C, control V. And a few things we need to change. What was that? That in the login form, we have scaled this. So we don't need a scale. And we require more fields. Also, we don't require a remember me function. So let's remove this. But we require more input fields. Our type should be similar to email, but type should be text. So we will paste this. So level for, what is this for? This is for phone number. So type is number. Name, phone, model, phone, email, phone, your phone number. Your phone. And let's say we are not referring something, so const phone is equals to ref. We refer as numerical, so we are referring at this like this way. And there is no such thing, so we will remove this. We will again name this phone as dot value. Now again, what another thing we making? Username, password, email, phone. And here it should be instead of login form, there should be sign up form. And on login, instead of on login, there should be on sign up. And first should be for username. So this shows me that there is an error in the login part as well. Username. Type should be text. Name should be username. Now we want again username. Placeholder. Username. Now placeholder. 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. Now max length is equals to 10. Min length is equals to 10. So these two properties are, let me show you. These two properties are generally used to limit your inputs. Min length in HTML. So you can see min length equals to 8, and similarly max length is there. So both is 10, so they must have to provide 10 numbers. So I'm checking this. 3, 4, 5, 6, 9 and 10. Now the last is email, and therefore I have to change as well. There is no login form, so we have to change it to sign up form. Now let's make it sign up button. We have to change that as well. Now already have an account. Sign in. So I have used this, made a view, but it is not redirected. How do we see it? So in the router, we will create those things. So we will again create similar like this, path slash sign up, component, import double dot slash views slash sign up dot view. So I have added this as well. But right now, what we found that it should be, instead of email, this should be username. There are multiple error. We need to resolve that. Do let me know if you are building with me. So now type will become text. Again have a text. We model as username. It should not be text. It should be username. ID should be username. And then placeholder should be text. Simple text username. So now instead of email, it should be username. Yeah. So now in the view, what one more thing to be done. So that is known as router view. So let me show you what documentation tell about that. So there is another page for it, view router. So this is the guide where again we will start it, and in that we will see. So now you can see router linked to this. You can add this thing and that link will become like this. So you can use the same command, router link to. So where we will use this? We will use this in the this part. Instead of that, we will write router link. You can see router link. So L capital, R capital. Now to should be login or sign up. And now you have to close this. Similarly, in the sign up, what we change to? Link to login. So now it is ready. So let's see. So we are here. So let's go to login first. We see some error in the sign in page and error in the line number. It's saying at the line number 20. So let's for this actually let's think in this way. We don't require this for now. So let's comment this out for now. Yeah. Now this is a link. So this is not available, and so we will look into documentation what we missed. So let's see. We will look into it. And 2 is like this way. Again, similar in sign up as well. So see, but the thing is, this is looking too small. So again, enlarge it. Where should we enlarge it? Here. Scale. Let's check for 1.5 itself. So let's refresh it at least once. Again, for this, we will create a API as sign up. Where we also require const username. And that will be sent to this. So 1.5 is not good. Still not good. Now this is good, but padding top should be now 2 rem only. Padding left should be 8 rem. Not 8, 7. 7 could be much better. Yes. Now let's say we phone number in HTML. Now there is a type called tell. So let me convert that to tell itself in the sign up page. And let's see now, how does it look? So now you know we are ready with the two components. So let's update this in the list. So sign up has been completed. So we learned these things. We have started with the routing. Again, method will be post, and the things we will require, we will talk about in the later phases of the app, where we interact the front end with the back end. So how does API work? We will talk about more about it, and this is the thing we are done with in the day 16. So goodbye. We will see you in day 17 with the home page. Goodbye.